Hi, this is Tammy with Family of Purpose, and I am back with one of my most favorite episodes. Today, I got our Fab Fit Fun Fall box. Yes, you can tell it's fall because it's beautifully decorated in fall. I got it today, and I want to do a video about it, the reveal like I always do, and share with you a discount at the end. Okay, so let's open up this beautiful fall box. I read somewhere that they actually have somebody design the box. A woman designer designs even the box. So attention to detail for women. Love it. Okay, here we go. Are you excited as I am? Oh, look at this. Huh. Did I mention that fall is my favorite season? With a change in the leaves, the color, things are dying. It's just beautiful. I know, death and beautiful. Okay, so what do we have in our box this month? We have a magazine that explains everything, including Christina Applegate's journey and being an advocate for cancer. I think she had cancer in her life. And this also, just so you know, if this is the first time that you've watched the video, explains everything that's in this box. So for now, we're gonna put it off to the side. All right, so advertisements. Oh, a coupon to send to one of your friends to get $10 off. And look at the attention to detail. A beautiful little sticker. Women would appreciate this. Oh, look at this. All right, so what do we have? The first one is a Luna bar, and this is to take care of yourself. I've never had these. I've tried other brands, but never tried this one. I'm looking forward to that, unless my family snags it first. And then we have some wireless Bluetooth Cobra headphones. These are going with me to the gym. I have a very old pair, so these will be going with the gym. Very nice, Bluetooth. What do we have here? Some shower gel. Oh, and you can also use this, I think, yes, if you want to take a bubble bath. But this is Skin & Company Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Then we have some Hollywood Glam Glow masks. Those would be fun to do with my daughter. Oh, a beauty blender, excuse me. My daughter has several of these and she was just saying she needs a new one, so I will have to snag this one or give it to her. Very nice and hot pink. Oh, and then we have some Simply Whimsical tea towels. Looks like there's a set of 2 of them in there. In the fashionable gray color that everybody likes. It goes with everything. This is a great box. I love it. And then we have some repair cream, which is perfect for the fall because your hands start getting dry. So looking forward to trying this out. Let's just see. I know you're interested as much as I am. Ooh, wow. Oh, this is for deep, like dryness, like elbows, fingers, maybe knees. Oh, it smells great. I probably put mine on at night so it stays in my skin, but this is like for a deep dryness. Yum, it smells great. Then we have, wow, there's just great value in this one. A coffee maker, an Alfred coffee press maker. Now, I love coffee. I'm not a huge strong coffee maker, but I do like to use a coffee press. I've never owned one though, but now I have. And it's perfect for fall because you drink a lot of coffee. Ooh, I love the bottom, attention to detail. Very nice. And it's glass. Ooh la la. These are for my lips. Pretty color. Liquid foil. And it's like a blush color. Oh, there's 2 of them. One's more of a matte and one is more of a shiny one. Oh, and this is the last thing. This looks like it's a bag, and I am a bag fanatic. Ask my husband. My kids actually will say, Mom, you use a different purse like every other month, and I do. Oh, this is beautiful. It's Vince Camuto. I'll just show it to you. Comes in a protective bag to protect it. Ooh, look at this. It has the black stripes, so it'll go with everything, and it's fall colors for sure. Even though this could be used all year round because it's a vegan bag, but it's a neutral color that could be used all year round. But it's perfect for fall. To throw your laptop in there or a book and your new lip gloss and go to Starbucks or to a park with your kids. It's perfect. It could be great for a diaper bag as well. It is very pretty. I believe this box is my most favorite of all of them that I've gotten. Just the value of everything. Tea towels, bath stuff, coffee press, just everything. The lip gloss, oh, and my favorite, I think, which will go into my fall bag, is my Bluetooth headphones that no one's going to take because it's going into my car as soon as I'm done with this video. I believe this is my favorite. And I want to bless you guys with $10 off. You'll find a link in below, and if you mark in the coupon 10 off, TENOFF, you'll get $10 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. It's so exciting. This is a great gift to give to someone that's in college, someone that is really hard to shop for, that loves the new stuff that comes out, a mom, even a grandma, a sister, an aunt, your daughter, your wife. It's fantastic for your wife because it comes 4 times a year. And you can pay all at once, or you can pay separately, however you set it up on the website. But don't forget to put the 10 off on the link below, and you'll get $10 off your very first subscription. 4 times a year it comes. In the fall, which was this one, comes in the winter in December, and then in the spring, and then the summer. Once again, it's Fab Fun Fit, and I'm so glad that you guys joined us. And I also want to put a plug in your ear that my husband and I just finished our Family with Purpose online course. It's 6 mods with 1 bonus, talking to you about family and marriage. And it's great for all kinds of parenting. Parents that are great parents, parents that are struggling, parents that have never been taught how to parent. And it's online. You can find that at fwponline.com/FWP. That's fwponline.com/FWP. And until next time, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our fun videos. Until next time, enjoy the fall that is almost here and sign up to get all these great things. Take care.